Welcome to RS tutorial. In this video, we are going to see an important problem in matrices, that is eigenvalues and eigenvectors problem. The problem is find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A equal to 8, minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3. First we have to find the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. That is lambda cube minus C1 lambda square plus C2 lambda minus C3 equal to 0. If the given matrix is 3 by 3 matrix, we have to start with lambda cube. Here C1 equal to sum of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements means 8, 7, 3. C2 sum of minors of diagonal elements. And C3 is determinant of A. Okay, first C1. C1 is sum of diagonal elements. What are the diagonal elements? 8, 7 and 3. So 8 plus 7 plus 3 equal to 18. So C1 value 18. C2 sum of minors of diagonal elements. The diagonal element, first element is 8. The minor corresponding to 8 is 7, minus 4, 3. Next element, diagonal element 2, 2, that is 7. Leave this row and column. So the minor will be 8, 2, 2, 3. Determinant of 8, 2, 2, 3. And the last element 3. For this element, the minor is determinant of 8, minus 6, 7. Determinant of this one is 21 minus 16 plus 8 into 3, 24 minus 2 into 2, 4. Here 8 into 7, 56 minus 36. 21 minus 16 is 5. 24 minus 4 is 20 and 56 minus 36 is 20. So the total is 45. This is C2 value. Next is C3. C3 is equal to determinant of A. Determinant of the given matrix 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. Taking the element A and leave this row and column, the remaining elements will be 7 minus 4 3. Next element, that is for first element you have to take plus sign, for second element minus, third element plus. Okay, minus of minus will become plus 6. Leaving this row and column, the remaining elements is minus 6, minus 4, 2, 3 plus 2. Leave this row and column. Remaining elements minus 6, 7, 2, minus 4. Here the determinant is 21 minus 16 plus 6 into minus 18 plus 8 plus 2 into 24 minus 14. 21 minus 16, it will be 5. 5 into 8, 40. And here minus 18 plus 8 is minus 10. Minus 10 into 6, minus 60. 24 minus 14 is 10. 10 into 2, 20. Now 40 plus 20, 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. That is C3 value is 0. If the constant value is 0, definitely you will have 0 as an eigenvalue. Okay, let us see. Characteristic equation is now lambda cube minus C1 is 18. 18 lambda square plus C2. C2 is 45 lambda and C3 is 0. So minus 0 equal to 0. Taking lambda outside, we get lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 equal to 0. From this, lambda equal to 0 or lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0. Factorizing this equation, we will have lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 15 equal to 0. That is, if you have to take two numbers. If you add, you must get minus 18. If you multiply those numbers, you must get 45. That is minus 3 and minus 15. So the factorization is lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are 0, 3 and 15. The roots of this characteristic equation are eigenvalues. Therefore, eigenvalues are 0, 3, 15. Next, we have to find the eigenvector for all these three eigenvalues. Okay, what is eigenvector? Eigenvector is a non-zero column vector capital X satisfying a minus lambda I into x equal to 0. X is a non-zero column vector. Okay, what is a minus lambda I? We have to put minus lambda in the diagonal of E matrix. Okay, 8 minus lambda minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus lambda minus 4 and third row 2 minus 4 3 minus lambda. Now a minus lambda I into x is equal to a minus lambda I matrix into the column matrix x, x1, x2, x3 equal to 0 means 0 matrix. Multiplying these two matrices, we will have 8 minus lambda into x1 minus 6 into x2 plus 2 into x3 equal to 0. The second equation is minus 6x1 plus 7 minus lambda into x2 minus 4 into x3 equal to 0. Third equation 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 3 minus lambda x3 is equal to 0. Now in these three equations we have to put the eigenvalues one by one, then we can get the eigenvector corresponding eigenvectors. Okay, first let us take lambda equal to 0. Put lambda equal to 0 in these three equations. If you put lambda equal to 0, the first equation becomes 8x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. Second equation will become minus 6x1 plus 7x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0. Third equation 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. Now we have to find the values of x1, x2 and x3 by cross multiplication method. For that, first take x1, x2, x3. For x1, start with the coefficient of x2. You can take any two equations from these three equations. I am going to take the first two equations. For x1, we have to start with the coefficients of x2. The coefficient of x2 is minus 6 and the second equation 7. Next coefficients 2 minus 4. Again you have to come the first element 8 minus 6. Again you have to write minus 6 and 7. Okay. For x1 take the determinant of these two columns minus x2 7 minus 4. For x2 determinant of 2 8 minus 4 minus 6 and for x3 determinant of 8 minus 6 7. Now the determinant of this one is plus 24 minus 14. Here minus 12 plus 32. 56 minus 36. Simplifying this we get x1 by 10, x2 by 20 and x3 by 20. Now we can cancel these three numbers by 10. So we have x1 by 1, x2 by 2, x3 by 2. Therefore, the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 0 is capital X1 is equal to 1, 2, 2. This is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 0. Next, for lambda equal to 3, we have to find the eigenvector. So, for that, put lambda equal to 3 in these three equations. If you put lambda equal to 3, we will have 5x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. The second equation minus 6x1 plus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0. And third equation 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 3 minus 3 will become 0. 0 into x3 equal to 0. By using cross multiplication method, we will have x1 divided by minus 6 2, determinant of minus 6 2, 4 minus 4, x2 divided by determinant of 2, 5 minus 4 minus 6, x3 divided by determinant of 5 minus 6, 4. Now the determinant value is 24 minus 8, here minus 12 plus 20 minus 36. So x1 divided by 16, x2 divided by 8 and x3 divided by minus 16. By cancelling by 8, we have x1 by 2, x2 by 1, x3 by minus 2. Now the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 3 is x2 equal to 2, 1 minus 2. Next let us find the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 15. Eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 15 is, here put lambda equal to 15, then we will have minus 7x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. In second equation, minus 6x1, here 7 minus 15, so minus 8x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0. Third equation, 2x1 minus 4x2, 3 minus 15 minus 12x3 equal to 0. Now by cross multiplication method, let us take the first two equations, minus 6 minus 8. Next 2 minus 4. Again minus 7 minus 6 for x3 minus 6 minus 8. x1 divided by determinant of minus 6 to minus 8 minus 4. For x2 determinant of 2 minus 7 minus 4 minus 6. x3 determinant of minus 6 minus 7 minus 6 minus 6 minus 8. x1 divided by 24 plus 16. x2 divided by minus 12 plus minus 28. x3 divided by 56 minus 36. So x1 divided by 40, x2 divided by minus 40, x3 divided by 20. Cancelling by 20, we will have x1 by 2 equal to x2 by minus 2 equal to x3 by 1. Therefore, eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 15 is taken as x3. x3 equal to 2 minus 2, 1. So, in this problem, we have find the eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors. Let us see another problem in our next video. Thank you for your watching.